Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x dx divided by x4 plus x2 plus 1. Okay, you can write this integral as integral of x dx divided by x4 plus 2x2 plus 1 minus x2. Okay, and that you can write as integral of x dx divided by x2 plus 1 with the power of 2 minus x2. Okay, so this integral you can write it using the substitution, you can solve it using the substitution rule. So if you define x2 plus 1 as u, therefore 2x dx will be equal to du. So now if you substitute these two equations into this integral, you can rewrite it as integral of, instead of x dx, here I have x dx, I simply write 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, and instead of x2 plus 1, I write u with the power of 2 minus x2 here, according to this equation, x2 is u minus 1. So therefore, this one will be equal to u2 minus u minus minus 1, which will be plus 1. Okay, and this one you can write it as 1 divided by 2 integral of du divided by u minus 1 divided by 2 with the power of 2 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, because here that will be u2, you have it, minus u plus 1 divided by 4 plus 3 divided by 4, which will be equal to 1. Okay, so this integral now you can simply solve it using the formula you have in the table of integral. That is the integral of du divided by u2 plus a2 equal to 1 divided by a tangent minus 1 u divided by a plus c. Okay, so this formula you have from the table of integral. So you can use this one to solve your integral. Note that here the value of a in your case is equal to a square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, because a2 is 3 divided by 4, therefore a is a square root of 3 divided by 4. Okay, so now all you need to do, you need to use this formula to solve your integral, which will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by a. A was a square root of 3 divided by 2. Therefore, inverse of that will be 2 divided by a square root of 3 tangent minus 1 u minus 1 divided by 2 divided by a, that is u divided by a, and a is the square root of 3 divided by 2 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And therefore, and this one you can as well simplify a little bit. This 2 is out. That will be 1 divided by a square root of 3 tangent minus 1. And this one will be 2u minus 1 divided by a square root of 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral, integral. Okay, so here all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which was given in the previous slide. Here u is equal to x2 plus 1. Okay, so here therefore this one will be equal to 1 divided by a square root of 3 tangent minus 1. Instead of u, I write basically x2 plus 1. So 2 times x2, that will be 2x2. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 will be 1 divided by a square root of 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.